Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix USB device not recognized in Windows 11. So the first step you need to do is to open control panel, okay, and click on power options. Once you are here, you simply need to click on choose when the power button do, okay. So once you are here, you need to go back. I think that's the oh, settings, right? So once you are on this page, click on change advanced power settings and click on here you can find different options. So here you can find an option for USB drive. So currently I have now, but if you find here, you simply need to disable that option from here. So once you disable, your issue get resolved, okay. And the second method that you need to do is to turn click on the power button for 20 seconds and then you need to restart your PC. And the third method is you need to go into the device manager, and once you are in device manager, here you can see universal serial bus device. Click here and it will open a complete settings. So you simply need to click here and update drivers, and after that your issue get resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.